we'll guide you through how to make a brush stroke in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, navigate to the Windows Start menu on your desktop and search for Google Chrome using the search function. Open the browser and wait until it is fully loaded. Then, type Figma into the address bar and press Enter. From the available results, select the official Figma website. Confirm that you are signed into your Figma account so you can access your projects and design tools without restrictions. For this tutorial, create a new project by clicking the plus design button on the dashboard. Next, locate the rectangle tool in the toolbar and click it. Move your cursor onto the canvas and draw a rectangle according to your preferred size. Click, hold, and drag your mouse until the shape reaches the desired dimensions. Then release the mouse button to complete the rectangle. With the rectangle selected, move to the design panel on the right side of the screen. Locate the Fill section and click the color square underneath it to open the color settings. In the color picker window, find a transparency control and drag it all the way to the left until it reaches 0%. This will make the fill completely transparent while keeping the rectangle visible through its outline settings. After removing the fill color, locate and click the stroke section in the design panel. Enabling the stroke will add a visible border around the rectangle. To customize the border further, select Advanced Stroke Settings. This area contains additional styling options that allow you to create more unique border effects. Within the advanced settings, choose the brush option. Figma will display a collection of available brush styles that can be applied to the border. Browse through the available options and select the brush style that best matches the look you want to achieve. In addition, you can adjust the direction of the brush effect.